Do you work across a range of devices like Windows machines, Macs, and Linux machines? Have you wanted to go ahead and manage your Azure resources through the command line, for example? Well, this is the tool and the video for you. Check out the Azure CLI in the Azure Docs. There is a wealth of information in the Azure Docs for you to go and install and upgrade your Azure CLI in your environment, whether it's Windows, macOS, Linux, Docker containers, or even the Azure Cloud Shell. So once you've done that from the Azure Docs there, because there are sets of instructions for each system, go ahead and navigate to your command line and type in the AZ login command. This will open a web browser on your machine. Now you can see, for example, I've blurred out a number of accounts, but it gives me access to log in with those accounts that I've already authenticated on my system. Once I hit the account, back in the command line, a list of subscriptions appear that the account has access to. Now to set the default subscription for the Azure CLI, I can use this AZ account set command with the -- subscription parameter and passing in either the GUID or the subscription name. Now you can see we've been prompted to upgrade, and we're going to ignore that for now. We'll take a look at that a little bit later. If I use the AZ group list command, then you can go ahead and see I get a list of all the resource groups that are in my system, in my Azure subscription. So now let's think. We've got a version of the CLI installed on our machine, but maybe we need to go ahead and upgrade it. Well, it's a very simple process to go and do that. From version 2.11 and onwards, you can go ahead and use AZ upgrade. Go ahead, respond yes that you want to upgrade or using Y, and then another window will pop up, an installer on your screen. Follow the instructions, and at one point there'll be an instruction to stop the Python environment running, which is effectively the Azure CLI that you're already using. Terminate that job, and then wait until the installation is completed, and you will find that you have upgraded to the latest version. So for me, I was on version 2.16, and now I'm on version 2.20. But what about if I wanted to go ahead and automatically upgrade that Azure CLI? Because I don't want to have to keep remembering to go and type in that AZ upgrade command. Well, there is a section once again in the Azure Docs all about how to go and upgrade using these commandlets. So you can use this AZ config set command. We'll navigate back to the command line here, and we'll go and paste in that particular command there. And what this command will do is set within the local CLI the auto-upgrade.enable flag to yes, meaning that the CLI will automatically upgrade itself. Now on the Azure Docs, there are a few different options there about how it auto-upgrades, how it notifies you. Go ahead and read through the instructions there to understand what is the most appropriate option for you and your environment, because every single person will have their own preference. Some may want to install themselves, some may want it to automatically install without notifications. Check that out and select the appropriate option for you.